What is antenna? An antenna is a transducer that converts radio frequency fields into alternating current or vice versa. There are both receiving and transmission antennas for sending or receiving radio transmissions. Antennas play an important role in the operation of all radio equipment. They are used in wireless local area network, mobile telephony, and satellite communication. Different types of antennas. Wire antennas. Short dipole antenna, loop antenna, monopole antenna. Log periodic antennas. Bow tie antennas, log periodic antennas, log periodic dipole array. Aperture antennas. Slot antenna, horn antenna, microstrip antennas. Rectangular microstrip patch antenna, quarter wave patch antenna. Reflector antennas. Flat plate reflector antenna, corner reflector antenna, parabolic reflector antenna. Lens antennas. Traveling wave antennas. Long wire antenna, Yagi-Uda antenna, helical wire antenna, spiral antenna. Array antennas. Two-element array antenna, linear array antenna, phase array antennas. Advantage of antenna types. Following are the advantage of antenna types. Dipole antenna. They are cheap and exhibits good gain. Whip antenna. It delivers good performance with size less than dipole antenna. Loop antenna. They are cheap and not easily detuned by hand movements. Spiral antenna. The size is less than whip antenna. Can be used for wideband application. Helical antenna. Is very directive antenna and provides good amount of gain. Microstrip antenna. They are very simple and cheap antenna. They are used in smartphone due to their thin structure. Ceramic antenna. They are very small in size and are less affected due to environment factors. Slot antenna. They are simple in design and smaller in size. They are robust in nature. Disadvantage of antenna types. Following are the disadvantage of antenna types. Dipole antenna. They exhibit large size at lower frequency. Whip antenna. The higher cost is the major disadvantage. Better ground plane is needed to achieve good performance. Loop antenna. They have poor gain, difficult to tune, and very narrow band. Spiral antenna. The major disadvantage of this type of antenna is difficulty in feeding it. Helical antenna. They are bulky in size. They are detuned by nearby objects very easily. Microstrip antenna. They are large in size at lower frequency. PCB designs affects performance and tuning. It is difficult to design for less than 433 MHz. Ceramic antenna. They are higher in cost. They deliver medium performance. They are matching function of PCB size and ground plane shape. Slot antenna. They are larger in size at lower frequency, and hence it is difficult to design them for frequencies less than 433 MHz. The antenna application varies with the type of antenna. Generally, the antenna application includes radio broadcast, navigation systems, radio transmissions and reception, GPS, satellite communication, radio frequency identification.